Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and fit. So today, uh, my side, I provide new things. I will open my coaching center for better learning, better understanding, develop new skills. In my coaching center, four type of things. First is 1 to 10 maths, teach to maths, and 1 to 10 teach to English grammar, English vocabulary, and reasoning, and English speaking also. How to communicate each other, how to speak in English in easy way. This is most important thing in our life because English is very important in the world. Level language is English. I hope all person will know and understand English, but they will not speak in English. I also, whenever, suppose that you have a lot of knowledge but you cannot express your thought, you cannot explain your things, then I can develop your improving yourself, how to communicate each other whenever you will go to interview, how to give the presentation, how to give the introduction. That is the most important. Somebody will come and ask from you, like, uh, please, someone will ask from you, please tell me your introduction in good way. Then how do you uh, doing the best presentation, best introduction. This is the most important thing. How how can you speak? So please, I request you all, please join this coaching center. My coaching center in Balrampur, Uttar Pradesh, near to the collectorate office, Dusha, in Dusha. And if you can join, you can develop your skills, you can improving yourself, then you can join this coaching center. Someone will not understand how to create a new things and how to improving ourselves. मीन्स कि बहुत लोगों के पास बहुत सारा नॉलेज होता है, जानकारी होता है, बस उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाते हैं। जैसे कि मेरे पास बहुत नॉलेज है मैथ के बारे में, रीजनिंग के बारे में, इंग्लिश के बारे में, बट मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। देन हाउ कैन एक्सप्लेन इट? Then you can join your coaching, and you improving a lot of. Then you can join, and before the join this coaching center, and after after the join this coaching, you can I think improving a lot of, like, you cannot understand how to you don't know how to uh, how to speak in English, how to communicate each other, हम कैसे लोगों से बात करते हैं, हम इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलें, ये हमें अभी नहीं पता है। आफ्टर द join the coaching, then you know a lot of, you can speak a lot of English, you can talk English, you can walk in English, you can think in English. You can doing anything in English. Okay, I hope you understood. And this coaching, जो 1 से 10 तक मैथ्स का है, उसका जो है वो 1500 रुपये फ़ीस। और जो रीजनिंग का है वो आपका पड़ेगा 1800 रुपये। एंड जो इंग्लिश ग्रामर और वोकेबलरी का है उसका आपका पड़ेगा नियर अबाउट आई थिंक 16, यस 1600 रुपये। एंड जो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग है वो आपको पड़ेगा 1500 रुपये में। देन यू कैन ज्वाइन। मैं जो भी बच्चा 1 महीने में 1.5 महीने में इम्प्रूव करेगा, कुछ बोलने लगेगा, मैं उसकी कुछ फीस भी माफ़ करूँगा। And you can join and visit this coaching. After that you can take the demo classes, then you can uh, continue your class. Thank you everyone, and please join this coaching. And I hope you understood what I will say. And you can improving a lot of after join the coaching. That's it. Thank you. Love you guys.